Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can fix a not showing Spotify Wrap 2022. This problem can be fixed in three ways. One is that the Spotify version that is installed in your phone is not the latest version. So, a quick hop to Google or Apple Play Store to update the app can fix this problem. Again, if for some reason the Spotify Wrap is still not showing, go to Settings, Application, and search Spotify. On Spotify, go to Storage and clear Cache. If clearing cache still not fixes the problem, you will have to restart your phone. After restarting your phone, the Spotify Wrap should now appear. If you want to share your Spotify Wrap on Instagram, check on the next video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.